up, y'all? It's Emily. Today's video is just going to be on this unit from Modern Show Hair, so if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Bye, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I just want to say, like, this has to be the best lace that I've had in a while. Like, in a while. Like, where is it? Like, I know you guys cannot see this lace because I'm in person. I can barely see this lace. Like, I gotta zoom up to see the lace. Like, I am in love with this lace. Like, Modern Show. Like, who told y'all to have some lace like this? Like, oh my gosh, I've been asleep. Like, I'm awake. Like, oh my gosh. I don't even know what they call this lace. I know that the color is medium brown and it really matches. Like, I did bleach my knots, but other than that, this is just like their lace. So I'm impressed. Like, genuinely impressed. Like, sis, okay. We ain't gonna talk about it, but we're gonna talk about it. So the hair is 22 inches of their water wave hair. This is 180% density, so this is not very full at all. It's very, like, natural. I'm gonna title this video like the best lace I've ever had, because this is like the best lace I've ever had. I don't know if they consider this Swiss or whatever, but it's so thin you can't even see it, and it matches my skin tone like perfect. They have the perfect medium brown. oh my gosh, like I just fell in love with the company based off of the lace. Like, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have all of Modern Show's links is down below, so make sure you go check them out. And if there's a coupon code, anything like that, it will be down there as well. If you guys have any questions that I didn't answer in this video, this wig is big head friendly. Y'all always ask me that. It's big head friendly, and I did pluck and bleach the knot, so it came a little bit pre-plucked, but it didn't come like this. I did this. Yeah, that's pretty much what I think y'all be asking me. But if there's anything else, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Thumbs up the video, hit the subscribe button. I love y'all, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.